Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to make a solar panel using this. Literally a solar cell, because we can't produce any high voltage and current, but we can create a little bit of voltage and current using sunlight. As you seen, this is a PN junction diode which has lot of diodes there, but I have only two diodes, which is PN junction diode used for rectifiers, and this is a Zener diode which is limit the voltage across it depending upon the types. If some Zener diodes is 5 volt or some other in 12 volt, so it will be limit the voltage across in any circuit, only in DC circuit. And if we connect this to a multimeter probes, positive to the positive and negative to the negative, I'm just connecting this, and you see I'm just putting it into a millivolt. So I am putting in 20 volt. If this volt 1 became 1, the voltage would be 1 volt. So if it be 0, okay. And I have a bulb here. I have a bulb which is basically a incandescent bulb. So let's turn on this and see the voltage, but you can't see. If I turn on this openly to the camera, the light will block the multimeter's display. So I'm just using this box. So this is nothing a box, so I'm just placing this inside the box. So you see I'm just having the wires out of it. The wire is disconnected, and I'm just placing this. And I'm keeping the bulb inside the box. Keeping the bulb inside the box. You see that? Yeah, we are done. So you see there is nothing inside it, so nothing a voltage source or anything else. So I'm just closing this box and putting the multimeters in the top side and checking the connections of the wire if there is any loose contact. Okay, let's turn on the bulb. Okay, I'm just not visible to the camera. Okay, if I turn on this, you could see this produce up to 0.3 volt. It's not a 1 volt, it's a 0.3 volt. So I'm just turn off the light and I'm switching to the current, which is I'm just putting to 20 milliampere, and I'm just turn on it producing around 42.42 milliamps. So it's basically producing. I'm just disconnecting this, and I have a note here, and I'm disconnecting this and keeping away. You see we get voltage of 0.3 volt and the current of 0.4 milliamps. 4 milliamps. If we find a power P, which is basically P into A or I, this is IA or I. A means I'm just denoting as an ampere. If you are denoting as a current, you just make sure that is I. And if you put this in a calculator, we get around 0.3 volt into 0.4 milliamps. I'm just converting to the amps. We get 1.2 into the power minus 4, which is basically a 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a point here, and 1, 2. watt. You see, we can produce up to, a single Zener would produce up to 0.0012 watt, which is basically nothing a voltage. It can't power any of the LEDs. But in future, we are connecting this in a series and parallel to make sure that it would produce around we are targeting as a 6 watt, because higher voltage means we need a lot of Zeners, but partially we don't have that much of Zeners. So I'm just creating a 6 volt or 3 volt according to the needs. I'm just first I'm just creating 3 volt and some kind of little bit of current, a solar cell that will be making of fully of Zener diodes, and let's see how the work practically, how it's work practically in sunlight. So let's see, guys. Until then, let's subscribe our channel and follow for more videos. Thank you, guys.